The 2013 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, remote engine start, tow hitch, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.